Hi traders, here's another video by Dave Tromp, and in this video I want to show you what is my holy trading grail. So let's have a look. So my holy trading grail, what is it? Well, it is something that will let me go from my current trading performance, which looks like this, to go to something that looks like this. So it will do this by helping me trade less, increase my win rate, increase my average risk to reward, and it will also help me control my max drawdown. So what is it? It's a trading log. So let's have a look at my trading log, and then after that I will show you where you can get my trading log and see for yourself and make a copy. So no, not this one. This is how you can get it. So here's my trading log. It's a Google sheet, and in it I log all kinds of things about my trades. Most important thing is of course the order date. When do I place the order? I should also record the entry date and the exit date, because then I can also learn more about how long I'm in the trade, but I haven't been doing this for now yet. The instrument I'm trading, the direction I'm trading in, I'm recording if I'm trading with the trend or against, and if the trend is up or down, the level I'm trading off, and the signal, and the way I'm entering. And then of course the results. So I record the results in R. If you're not familiar with what R is, then I suggest you go and have a look at my ebook, which will tell you all about how you can learn to trade. Or you can go to my website and you can look it up as well. So these are all the things I record, and then I have a little tab that shows me the graph of the performance, and also some information like the grand total, so how many R have I been making so far, the win rate, so how many trades am I winning compared to losing, and very important, the max drawdown. As you can see, I had a 14R max drawdown. That's this huge drop here in the curve, in the chart. And it's very important to keep this as low as possible. Also very important is the risk to reward, so the average risk to reward. So I always want to have more reward than the risk I'm taking, so the average should be above 1, or preferably even higher, but for now it's at 1.5 with about a 40% win rate, so that makes me profitable. But how can I make this better? Well, I started looking at the log, and I found out some things, and I implemented that in an optimized trading log. So let's have a look at the breakdown of this optimized trading log. Then you can see this is the breakdown, this is the chart. You can see the grand total is higher, it's 26R, the win rate is higher, the average risk to reward is slightly higher, but very important, the drawdown is much lower, and you can see that in the graph here. It's much more smooth going up. So if you compare it to the other one here, you can see large up and down swings, and here it's much smoother. So how did I do this? Well, I've written it down here already as a note to myself. So this optimized trading log only contains trades that I took on the Euro USD, the Great British Pound USD, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar, and the AUD USD pair. So if you take a look at my trading log, you can see that I've been trading many different instruments, forex, but also oil, the DAX, the dollar index, again oil, the Nasdaq, indices, gold and silver. So looking at the performance of all these instruments, I figured out that if I would only trade 4 pairs, then I would have to trade less, make more money, and have a smoother equity curve. So that's what I'm going to do. If you want to have a look at this yourself, then you can simply go to my website. So this is my website, davetromp.com, and then you can click here on my Gumroad link here. That will take you here to davetromp.gumroad.com, and from there you can get all the other things. You can get my trading plan, trade setup, you can get the ebook, but the one I'm talking about now is the trading log. You can get access to it, so you will get a link to the document, and this is actually the document I'm working on continuously, so you will see updates as well. So if you click here, then it will take you to the page of where you can get the access to the trading log. You don't have to pay for it. You can simply say €0, and then you can add it to your card, and you can log in and get a link to my trading log. Of course, if you want, you can also say I want to pay a tip to Dave, maybe 99 cents or something, or maybe you want to pay me 100 euros. I don't know, it doesn't matter to me, just 0 is fine. This is just an easy way for me to get this out there. If you like this video and if you like this kind of things I'm talking about trading, please subscribe to this channel, and if you specifically like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.